Good morning, students. How are you? How are you? On today we should discuss the intermediate vocational CGA second year paper, third paper, 3D animation. So now should we discuss about the today 3D animation paper? Very interesting topic of animation. So then now today we should discuss about the animation. So what is the meaning of animation? Then the meaning of animation. The animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. In traditional animation, images are drawn or painted by hand on a transparent calculated sheets to be photographed and exhibited on film. So what is the meaning of animation? Now, the animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. In traditional animation, images are drawn or painted by hand on transparent cellular sheets to be photographed and exhibited on film. So, the animation field is a very important field by today nowadays. So, they have used any industries, then in films, televisions and whatever that. So, the animation is one of the very important work by the doing done of the animation works. Now, today the most animations are made within a computer generated imaginary. It's called the CGI. CGI means computer generated imaginaries. The computer animation can be very detailed 3D animation while 2D computer animation. So the animation is the most of computers, just like the CGIs. Thus CGI means computer generated imaginaries. So the computer animation can be very detailed in a 2D animation and 2D animation. Now the 3D animation while in a 2D computer animation is the most important animation by creation of any objective that like a images or the painted. So then what is 3D animation? So what is the 3D animation? The 3D animation. The 3D animation is digitally modeled and manipulated by an animator. The 3D model maker usually starts by creating a 3D polygon mesh for the animator to manipulate. So what is the meaning of 3D animation? The 3D animation is digitally modeled and manipulated by an animator. The 3D model maker usually starts by creating a 3D polygon mesh for the animator to manipulate. So this is the 3D animation. The 3D animation they have by using of creating a 3D polygon mesh. The mesh means then this is the mesh. Now so this is the lines and horizontal and vertical lines will be derived by the mesh. So now you should be using of any graph sheet. Then we have the some axis x and y axis. So the x and y axis will be used in a polygonal mesh. So what is the meaning of polygon mesh? The polygon mesh means mesh typically includes many verticals that's connected by edges and faces, which give the visual appearance of from to their 3D object or 3D environment. So what is the meaning of polygon mesh? The polygon mesh typically include the many verticals that are connected to edges and faces, which give the visual appearance of from to a 3D object or 3D environment. So now you should be sure on the page they have used the verticals are connected the edges. Then you should be using in a vertical shape. Then what about the lines? They should be connected the second edge or first of the edge. So the open edge and the closing edge should be connected to the another edge. So finally they should be giving the visual appearance of home. So now they should be giving as we made. There should be creation of any object or any animation or skeleton. So then you should be creation of the skeleton of this image. There should be creation of edges and polygonals and verticals. Then you should use the polygonal mesh. So this is the 3D animation. So the 3D animation is a digital modeled and manipulated and animated. Then 2D animation. What is the 2D animation? The 2D animation figures are created or edited on the computer using 2D bitmap graphics and 2D vector graphics. So the 2D animation figures are created or edited on the computer using 2D bitmap graphics and 2D vector graphics. Then the 3D animation they should be used in a polygonal mesh. The 2D computer graphics will be used by vector graphics. This is the difference of the 2D and 3D. This is included in automated in a computerized versions of traditional animation technique. Thus like the interrupted morphing, onion skinning and interrupted off in scoping. So then the 2D animation and 3D animation. What is the difference of 2D and 3D animation? The 3D animation they should be used of creation of any object used by the polygonal mesh. The 2D animation they should be used in the vector graphs. So this includes in automated and computerized versions of traditional animation techniques such like the interpolated, the morphing, onion skinning and then interpolated root or scoping. So then we should show the page. They should have the two objects, that's in the x and y. They should be attached by the chain link. So they should have to the link to one, two and two points. Then you have the use of in a graph sheet. They have used in a y and x. So the horizontal and vertical lines will be indicated by the 2D animation. They have the only two-dimensional shape, then x and y. They have to show in the page. They have the two objectives, then the x and y. So these will be linked with a chain. So this is the 2D and 3D animation. Then what is the workflow of in an animation? So complete animation workflow. Then you should be creation of any skeleton of creating 2D and 3D animation. First of all, how to create the animation workflow. There are a lot of workflows of in the 3D animation objectives. Then they have the animation workflow. The animation workflow or in a pipeline is in a system consisting of people, hardware and software aligned to work in a specific sequential order to be predetermined task in a predetermined time for frame, which will lead to the 3D animation productions or assets of the final output. So what is the animation workflow? That means the animation workflow or pipeline is a system consisting of people, the hardware and software characters. The hardware and software characters should be aligned to work in a specific sequential order to be prepared predetermined task in a predetermined time of the frame, which will lead to the 3D animation production of an asset as the final output. Then we should be using the hardware and software tools. They have to work, how to workflow any animations. They should be given that. Now they should be used in the hardware and software devices. They should be set of the hand skeleton of the body, then automatically set the final output in a 3D and 2D animation. Then what is the how many types of workflows in a 3D animation? Then first one traditional, then second one paperless, third one cutout. So what is the how many types of the animation workflow? Then first one traditional animation, paperless animation and cutout animation. Now we should discuss about the traditional animation. So what is the traditional animation? The traditional animation means generally you should be any animation. First of all, you should be make the creation of the story of visual. So now you have the sum of the creator. The creator can make the visual and effects of objectives. Anything. First of all, they should be attractive. And how to attract by the users? So the thoughts of mind, the creators can make the how to attract the users. Then first one we should have to learn the traditional animation. So the traditional animation, first you should be prepared of the script. The script means what about the objectives or what about the information they should be giving by the users. Then the script is main one. Then you should be then write the storyboard. Then characters, proper location design and audio recording. Then you should be prepare the stage. They automatically write the storyboard. So the characters, proper location will be designed to the link of the storyboard. The finally we should be read to the audio recording. Then they have to the animatics. So in this script, whatever the animatics you should be used to attract by the users. Then next one, the finally layout and posting. The layout and posting means there should be the giving the information by the users in proper way to set the information, the proper is called the layout and posting. Then finally, the character of proper background color styling. The proper background color styling means then in this visual it should be clarity of the users, but they have the use of a dark of the colors. The users cannot be attracted. So the character, the proper background color styling. Then next one, sound breakdowns. Thus next, finally animation. This will digital exposure sheet, scan, ink paint, then compositing and expert and reader. So this all the objects are very useful to the creation of the traditional animation. So the first one you should be creating of any animation, the digital expression sheet, the finally to scan the ink and paint, then in compositing and export of reader. The finally to be post of the production. Then it will be completion of all of the stages. Finally should be giving to post of the production. So this is the traditional animation. So any animation, the traditional and cut-off animation, whatever that, they should first you should be maintained on the script and how to the visual by attract by the users or the emotions. Then next one, the second one means the paperless animation. Now the paperless animation means any paperless animation or whatever that, the first you should be made and stop the script. The script means the use the storyboard, character problem location, audio recording, then animatics, the layout postings, and character and background color styling, and in a sound breakdowns. Then you should be creating the animation with related of the sound breakdowns, then animation cleanup, then ink and paintations. The ink and paintations will be displayed on whatever the information they should be given by the creators by help of the users. So the users can giving the any information by creators. The creator can be information by the users with help of the ink and paint composition. Then finally they should be giving the export of the render. The finally they should be producing the output of the post production. This is completion of the all type of the objects. Then this is the paperless animation. Then third one, cutout animation. Then cutout animation means they have to the screen. The already I told you that the animation they first it should be maintained the script. The script is an important character by the creation of the any animation. The script will be helpful to creation of the objectives. So without the script they should not create of the any animation by the creators. So first it should be made the script of the and your mindset. Automatically you should be finished the work by the workflow. Then finally they should be giving the storyboard, the characters, prop of the location designs, audio recordings, animatics, then layout postings. The layout postings will be happy for the characters, the proper background color stylings, then sound breakdowns, the characters of the proper backgrounds, then libraries, the screen setup and animation, compositing and export and reader. The finally they should be giving the to post production. Nothing but the any animation, that means traditional paperless cutout animation, the first there should be very important role by the script. The script is very important role because there should be creation of the any animation by the creator with attract by the objectives of attract to the users. So how to attract any users in mindset. So first you should be maintain the script with help of the storyboard. So the three animation, traditional, cutout and paperless animations will be very useful to the creation of any animation, just like of 2D animation or 3D animation. So the animations animation allows you to be animated an object along with a path of specified by a curve. In this way, the curve controls the motions of the objectives. With the keyframe animation, the Maya calculates the motions of objectives for the animation based on the positions to where set at the keyframe. With the path of animation, the motions of the objectives defined by the location along the path of curve. So, in this paragraph, there should be discussion about how to create of animations, those of using of workflow. The workflows animations are basically first makes the objectives. Objectives means nothing but the objectives will be given to the whatever the related by storyboard. So, it should be creation of any objectives with help of the specific motions. Then the objectives will be given to the Then our animation object is